Okay, just a reminder that the remainder of this week, if you've missed class Monday or Tuesday, we are beginning to write our body paragraphs. So you have written an outline and you have collected a lot of sources. And now it is your turn to just begin writing the rough drafts of your body paragraphs. So you can do that using your outlines. You've created topic sentences, you've gathered some evidence. You can use those two things side by side to start writing those body paragraphs. When you are finished writing those, you can submit them in this assignment that's pulled up on the screen, but you need to go through and check for these things. Do you have a clear thesis? Do you have clear topic sentences for every paragraph? Do you use only third-person language? Do you have at least 5 sentences in every paragraph? Do you have 2 quotes or paraphrased evidences in each paragraph? Do you have a total of 3 different sources? Remember our We're Excited page. And do you use proper capitalization and mechanics? If you are completely confident you have all of those things, submit. If you do not have all of those things, or you're not confident that you do, you need to check with me before you submit. We will be using some of these guidelines when we conference with you, so we'll go over some of those questions that you have and make sure that you feel really ready. But otherwise, review how we use our citations, review how we introduce quotes and use third-person language, how we transition, and get started on your writing process.